A program or application that runs automatically when the system boots is called as startup program. Let's see how to disable startup programs on Windows 10. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Now, you can see Task Manager on your screen. Click on Startup tab. Right-click on the enabled program and click on Disable. In the same way, disable all unwanted programs from Startup. To check out more tech videos, click here. To subscribe GuruAid channel, click here. For instant tech support, call GuruAid toll-free numbers